your boat is not in her.
Welcome back, guys. Today we are at our mom's house, our mom farms, and we are surprising with the mom action over there. What is she doing there? Let's see. Let's see and let's find out. And we have our little friend here. Hi. Hi. She's shy. And I thought it was B. Oh, it's too dark to see. This is not dog poop. Actually, a vampire.
Vampire.
This is a Batman.
Juga.
A bat.
Okay. Oh my God, siapa
It's
sih?
a bat. Anak mana kau? I think this is still the children.
Children.
Yeah, it's not
Die.
adult yet. Still small.
Even
Like this.
so small.
Yeah.
Toby ya kan keren. Toby selalu dapat ini guys. Toby.
I think this is the one that's sucking the blood. Yeah.
Where the teeth ya?
I don't know. Should we open it? Yeah.
Have?
Yeah.
Small ka?
Small.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Got lah.
macam monyet muka dia.
Where's the eye? Can you see the eye?
Yeah, the eye.
Yeah. Got teeth. Yeah. Oh, quite sharp. I don't know you guys can see or not, but it's quite sharp.
Okay.
Okay.
Sihat ng jilong mo. Suka. Alam mo suka, ha? Tapak tangan. Kamu simpan ng tapak tangan. Dapat tengok laki ke perempuan ya?
I don't know.
Iya ada ekor, oh.
Yeah. No, not really like the echo, just like that only. I think it's like the
First
wing.
time po yun ang...
It go together with the leg and the wing.
Okay.
Be clear for you guys. Wipe some wiper, and we're going to load up some of the palm fruit. Got it one here, and down there. Well, it's good. It's a good thing that today is bright sunny day.
Sini ada nanas-nanas guys.
Yeah, pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, apple pain. Pineapple, apple pain.
Turun ambil buah mak sini dengan adik.
Wow. Oh.
Itu adik saya. Mantap. Nej. gunung pedaan. Ada sawit sana lagi, guys. Sawit ini yang kita angkat dari sana bawah-bawahnya.
Hop.
Satu guni itu, guys, berlawan dengan dua biji buah. Ya Kayang,
Hah?
satu guni itu
Aha.
dengan satu guni ini, satu
Mana tu berat?
biji apa tuh?
Guni
Satu tandan.
dengan lawan satu
Tandan.
Guni lah berat. Yang padat lagi.
Ya, petutut pada daun guyo.
You take me from there if I walk by.
Telok po ko doktor yung mata. Pero kayo ka, alam mo ba, sususun halam. Cool.
And now you know how it is to work out here, to living the life of farm life as a farmer, as a young farmer, as a good-looking farmer, and beautiful wife playing at the back of the camera. I just don't know what it is. This one. And as previous video you guys seen, the fire starter that I make for my BBQ pits. This one is fresher one, not the dry type. So this one you couldn't start a fire. The one that you can start fire with is the dried one. Yes, this one. This is the one, and the other one that is the fresh one. Cc, 2.5 cc, 148 horsepower.
Walaupun kerja sawit, baju tetap Levi's guys. Itu baju sekecil dulu tuh, badan kecil dah.
148 meter top guys.
Sini ada nanas, pineapple pen. Hello.
Hi. Have you subscribed my channel? Have you subscribed my channel? If not yet, please subscribe. You're gonna see great content after this. Let's go. Like nothing, it's like growing nothing. But trust me guys, it's very heavy. It's heavy than my wife.
Hey, hey.
As you guys can see, this is type of palm fruit that we like.
Wow.
And this is the right one. As you can see, the palm fruit itself fall from it easily. So that indicate it really ripe. So it's good to harvest. And this one, this type, you can get easy at gray.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you guys how to do a proper way to load. Okay. First thing, your posture,
Small.
the way you stand up, and then
Small.
Why?
where's it?
Small.
And then you just kind of do it like that with a little bit of force, and try to not haul here. Haul a bit further here so that the weight is easier to carry in your back. Bend a bit and kind of push it down so that you easy to carry.
Chop mini sawit Allah.
Otto want eat the
Eat what?
Ay!
Udah eat sawit? Ini anak kakak nah, anak kakak.
Wow, beautiful and beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you, Amber.
That's how it is. Without the pump, without hurting yourself.
We see how my husband that bigger
Yeah! I eat!
fish bigger.
I win! This for information.
Kids in Manao play game. How old are you, Amber?
I am Ember.
Are you Amber? I know you Amber. How old are you? 6. 5 had it ma?
Yeah.
5 years old. Woo, so big girl.
I'm a big girl.
You big girl. No, that's a bit heavy. Heavy mo cả nan.
I want to eat that one.
See how
Wow, so many!
this
So many
nearly,
Mikey's.
I think it's nearly 45 kilo.
I want to eat the fish. I'm
I'm
so
5'10" and a half.
hungry.
And a big man, but I look small to this puppy.
Oh. I said,
But I'm still heavier than you.
yeah! I win!
You win.
Yes,
You win.
I
Play that
Hop, hop.
game. Hop hop hore. Ooh, and tang.
And still my wife is heavy than
Okay. It's leech. Eat blood, mom. Ma. Ih.
Dulu na kita
Di kikit sini.
dulu na kita luhap do na. Biar niya tete.
Jangan ni kak ya ya.
Inte ya teh belum matay.
Dapat kalau tak.
Ay, jaban ni no. Nunay ka kung nak dia kerain aku makan apa?
Nah, itu mulut dia. Yang satu ini.
Nolon kak, kan?
Nih,
Ikaw na nolong re.
kau nak laong nun. Oh, besar.
Kenyang ko.
Ih.
Nyok banget teh.
How nan? Kata?
Pat na ngadam di do. Tanalang kati. Ati lang kahog na. Ino pa na dering. Kahog na kati pa.
Hado.
Cuy.
Oh,
Ano na?
ini kepala dia. Singat kan ini kepala dia.
Burit na na.
Abot na. Oh, salah. Ini. Ay!
Oh, disak mo.
Kita simpan garam.
Besok ko.
Halo, Mak. Kita mau buat eksperimen. Orang kata dia mati kena ini, guys. Garam. Betul ke tidak?
You sprinkle on top.
Duh.
Matay na ma. Matay ka.
Matay kayo. Halit ko. Mas this, diba? Matay na pa.
Nih,
Ang
ma.
malaan.
Oh, mati terus, oh. Betul lah
Leech.
kata orang.
See from here. Go from here. No. Uncle don't scare you.
No.
Go see there.
Oh, mati terus. Betul lah. Orang mati kena kena garam. Bawa guys, kita sudah sampai guys. Hello kawan, burung-burung bangau ko. Wah, sudah kasih turun sudah. Bangau, oh bangau, mengapa engkau kurus? Kamu hari makan sawit, tetap kurus badan. Kenapa tidak macam ini? Bangau, oh bangau, mengapa engkau kurus? Cemana aku tak kurus? Memang saya ambil badan kamu. Orang bawa sawit guys. Satu tuh. Pandai dia susun buah. Semua orang sini pandai-pandai susun buah guys. Tiada sawit yang jatuh ke jalan. Kalau dulu ya, kalau dulu masa bawa sawit dulu selalu orang jatuh, sawit mereka jatuh ke jalan. Tapi sekarang orang semakin pandai macam susun bata.
Jalan dia.
Kita suruh kasih buang sawit ini guys. Banyak biji-biji mak kutip tadi. Oke, buah sudah kita kasih unloading semua sudah guys. Banyaknya biji. Tengok ke sana, bangau-bangau bersantai. Oke guys, hari ini saja kerja kita hari ini. Bye bye. Video jangan lupa subscribe, like, and share. Guys, kita mau ambil slash sawit ini guys. Hari itu kita tidak dapat ambilnya karena tidak piko. Hari ini kita mau ambil dia. Kita gustan lah guys. Bisa kasih gustan dia ya guys.
Enak bunyi betul itu.
Lari ayam, lari.
Musang. Wow. Ini yang bagus nih. Yang macam tai ini.
Centai. Wah, itu dia. Wow. Wah, kita boleh bertanam-tanam cucuk tanam nih nanti guys. Bau duit sini guys. Tapi hidung sama tuh sumbat sudah nih.